This is lecture number 6, Profit or Loss Distribution with emphasis on interest allocation on the partner's capital balances. So, nandun pa rin tayo, same topic, partnership operations, distribution of profit or loss. Pero, ipapasok natin ngayon yung interest. Now, remember that allowances in the form of interest, salaries, or bonus may be provided to the partners as part ng profit or loss sharing scheme. Okay? Sa ngayon, bigyan natin ng pansin itong interest. Tapos, sa susunod na natin ito pag-usapan na salaries and bonuses. Now, when we are talking of interest, this is applied to compensate for cash or non-cash assets invested by the partners into the partnership. So, basically, ito yung mga capitalist partners to encourage capital contribution in the form of money or non-cash assets, no? So, pwedeng bigyan ng interest itong mga partners. So, depende sa mapag-aagrihan nitong mga partners. Now, take note that interest is not an expense of the partnership. Sabi dito, highlight lang, in the context of profit or loss distribution, that is not an expense. Remember, meron na tayong net profit or net loss. So, outside na itong interest, ginagamit lang ito as a scheme in allocating your profit or loss para maging reasonable ito. Now, another thing that you have to remember is that if the agreement expressly provides for an allocation of interest among the partners, etong interest na ito must be computed regardless of the results of operations. Sa madaling salita, kailangan mo pa rin mag-allocate ng interest kahit na yung company ay nag-incur ng net loss o kaya hindi sapat yung net profit doon sa distribution ng interest. So, ipakita natin ito mamaya dito sa ating mga illustration. Dako na tayo sa ating case number 10. So, ito, interest is applied in the computation of profit or loss sharing pero walang profit or loss sharing ratio. So, ito yung ating illustration. We have partners ASA and Kappa, which are capitalist partners that started their business operations on August of the current year. So, August sila nag-umpisa. Take note of these items, take note of the details. Agosto sila nag-umpisa ng partnership operations. Ang kanilang capital contribution ay 120,000 at 80,000 respectively. Once again, eto na naman tayo kay respectively. Yung 120 ay para kay partner ASA, yung 80 ay para kay partner Kappa. Now, during the year, the partnership generated a net profit of 40,000 pesos. Napagkasunduan na merong monthly interest of 3,000 para kay partner ASA at 2,500 naman kay partner Kappa. Ngayon, i-compute natin yung share ng mga partners. O kaya sinabi ko na take note of this detail, yung August, kasi ang sinasabi dito sa problem, monthly interest of 3,000 and 2,500. So makita ninyo dito sa ating computation kung paano natin i-distribute etong net profit na 40,000 pesos. Okay, ito ang ating computation. Kung meron kang net profit na 40,000, una, i-allocate muna natin yung interest. Paano natin gagawin yon? Nag-umpisa ang business, Agosto. So, we have August, September, October, November, December. Siyempre, December 31 ang ating computation ng iyong net profit or loss distribution. Kasi yun naman yung end of your year. Unless fiscal year ka, kailangang stated kailan nagtatapos yung taon ng business. Dito, 5 months ito from August to December. Si partner ASA, ang sabi sa problem, 3,000 kada buwan ang kanyang interest allowance. So, 3,000 times 5 months, you will get 15,000 pesos. Samantalang si partner Kappa naman, 2,500 per month, times 5 months, meron kang 12,500. Pag pinag-add natin yung dalawa, ang makukuha mong interest ay 27,500. Ibabawas natin yan doon sa net profit mo na 40,000. So that the balance after interest allocation will now be 12,500. Etong 12,500, i-distribute natin ito sa mga partners pa din. Ngayon, dahil wala itong profit or loss sharing scheme or walang percentage, gagamitin natin based on capital contribution, which is 120 kay partner Asa and 80,000 kay partner Kappa. So pag pinag-add natin yan, ang total contributed capital ay 200,000. Yan ang iyong denominator. In such a way that to compute for the balance of partner Asa, 12,500, which is this one, times 120 over 200. Kasi yan yung proportion ng iyong capital contribution over the total contributed capital. Ang makukompute na amount dyan ay 7,500 kay partner Asa. Samantalang kay partner Kappa, 12,500 times 80 over 200, you will get 5,000. So, kabuuan nito ay 12,500. After mo ma-distribute yung balanse, dapat 0 na yan. Wala ka ng ibang i-distribute kasi na-distribute mo na ang iyong balanse. Now, proceed tayo sa next slide. Dito, makikita mo kung ang net profit ay 40,000, kay partner Asa, based doon sa computation sa naunang slide, 15,000 na interest plus 7,500 sa balance. Ang kanyang share sa net profit ay 22,500. Kay partner Kappa naman, 12,500 ang na-compute sa interest plus 5,000 naman doon sa balanse. Ang kanyang net share sa profit ay 17,500. Pag pinag-add natin itong dalawa, that is 40,000 pesos. That is also your net profit. To journalize lang, debit ka ng income summary for 40,000, credit ka Asa Capital, and credit ka Kappa Capital for these amounts. Okay? So that is your case number 10. Proceed tayo ngayon sa case number 11. Dito naman, meron kang profit or loss sharing ratio. Ang magiging kaibahan nito, kasi doon sa balance, i-distribute ito based on the profit or loss sharing agreement. Dito, si partners Baka and partner naman, which are also capitalist partners, just to emphasize that interest is provided doon sa mga capitalist partners. Ang kanilang capital contribution ay 80 and 70,000 respectively, with P&L sharing ratio of 60-40. Ang 60% para kay partner Baka, ang 40% para kay partner naman. Now, during the last 12 months, the partnership incurred a net loss of 20,000. Dito, net loss naman tayo. Napagkasunduan that regardless of the results of operation, partners will still be receiving a monthly interest of 1,500 for both partners. Now, we will compute for the shares of the partners. Ganito ang kakalabasan niyan. Kung meron kang net loss na 20,000, and take note, nilagyan ko ng open and close parenthesis to emphasize net loss yan. Dito makikita ninyo number of months to compute, 12 months kasi given doon sa problem during the last 12 months of operation. So isang buong taon yan. Interest on partner Baka, meron siyang 1,500 per month. Times natin ito ng 12 o 18,000 ka. Ganun din naman ito kay partner naman. 1,500 times 12, meron ka 18,000 pesos. Kung naguguluhan ka sa ang galing mga figures, nandito lang siya sa case natin. 1,500 each. So, straightforward times 12. So, tig 18,000 parehas yung dalawang partners. Ang total interest na kailangang i-allocate ay 36,000 pesos. Sir, paano yan? Net loss tayo. Meron pa rin ba tayong kailangang i-allocate? Remember yung kanina sa mga naunang slide natin. Kasi ang sinasabi doon, regardless kung kumita ka or hindi, kailangan mo pa rin mag-compute ng interest to allocate doon sa mga partners. Dito, makikita ninyo na nag-compute tayo at 36,000 yan. Ang magiging effect niyan sa iyong net loss ay madadagdagan. So parang dito, 20,000, dahil ito, ang dating nito is naglabas ka, no? Meron kang interest sa mga partners, so 36, ipa-plus natin yan dito sa net loss mo para naging negative 56,000. Yan. Ngayon, etong negative 56,000, i-allocate natin ito doon sa mga partners in their P&L sharing ratio, 60-40 respectively. Pansinin mo ito, kasi 56,000 times 60%, kay partner baka 33,600. Kay partner naman na 40% ang share, 22,400. So after that, wala nang balance na i-distribute na properly ang net loss mo. O dito, pansinin mo ito ngayon. Take note of the signs. Ang net loss mo kasi 20,000. Nung nag-compute ng interest, nung nag-allocate ng interest, positive yan, 18. Pero, ang balanse, dahil net loss yan at lumaki, lumobo, minus. Take note here, it's minus. It's minus. Kaya, after natin makompute yung kay partner baka, 18,000 minus 33,600, naka-negative 15,600 yan. Samantalang kay partner naman, negative 4,400. For proper presentation lang, gawin natin itong negative. Okay, so ang distributed loss mo na negative 20,000, 15,600 kay partner baka at 4,400 naman kay partner naman. O 20K pa rin yan na loss. O tandaan ninyo na yung interest hindi natin ito kinong-consider as an expense. Pero ginagamit lang natin ito sa computation ng allocation. Okay? O dito, ang journal entry mo pa rin, debit ka ng mga capital accounts for the respective amounts and credit ka ng income summary for 20,000 pesos. Okay? So I hope you are following our illustration. Proceed tayo ngayon sa case number 12. O dito, ang partners naman ay si Black and Pink with capital contribution of 300,000 each. No, they agreed to form a partnership. Now, nag-start yung partnership nila on the month of October nitong current na taon. And at the end of the year, the partnership earned a net income of 15,000 pesos. Ang sabi dito sa case, si partner Black will receive a total interest of 15,000, samantalang si partner Pink will receive a total interest of 12,000 pesos. And any difference will be divided equally among the partners. Now, we'll compute for the shares, no? Ang net income mo ay 15,000 pesos only. Looking at this computation, o kailangan muna natin i-allocate ang mga interest. Dito, given na wala na tayong i-compute. 15 and 12, ang total niyan, 27,000. Notice na ang iyong net profit ay 15,000. So, kumbaga, kung i-allocate mo itong 27,000, kapos ka pa, kinulang ka pa ng 12,000. O itong negative 12,000, i-allocate natin ito equally among the partners. So, tig 6,000 yan si partner Black and si partner Pink. Para after that, wala na, zero na, distribute na natin yung net profit. O pansinin mo ulit yung signs. Kasi dito, sa kabilang slide, o kay partner Black, 15,000 interest minus 6,000 na na-compute natin doon sa share in the balance. You will get 9,000. Si partner Pink naman, 12,000 yung interest, ibawas natin yung 6,000 na na-compute sa balance, kaya 6,000 ang kanyang net profit share. O 6,000 plus 9,000, 15,000. You see, that is still 15,000. So, etong interest mo at saka yung mga balance dyan, nagmamatter lang yan sa computation. Pero, ang total na may didistribute sa mga partners is kung magkano pa rin ang net profit or net loss. O eto ngayon ang iyong journal entry to recognize the share of Black and to recognize the share of Pink and transfer it to their capital accounts. Debit your income summary. Okay? So, that is our illustration for interest application or interest allocation. Sa susunod, pag-usapan naman natin yung allocation ng salaries doon sa mga partners. But until then, I'll see you again. Bye-bye.